Faith and football. To many, the two go hand in hand. But when word got out that Naperville Central football players were led in prayer by members of the coaching staff, controversy arose. NSW's Charlie Edward has more.
This feature is brought to you by Country Financial and your Naperville financial representative, Shannon Libby.
Last week, a complex situation arose. Its catalyst, a letter written to District 203 by a Freedom from Religion Foundation attorney.
We are a national organization whose purpose is to defend the constitutional principle of the separation between church and state.
Ryan Jane is an attorney with the group based in Madison, Wisconsin, whose issue came with Naperville Central football coach Mike Stein for leading his teams in prayer.
So our position is that is a state employee endorsing religion over non-religion, and that is unconstitutional.
In response, the District 203 Superintendent, Dan Bridges, instructed all coaches of the district not to partake in team prayers. In fact, Thursday, he released this statement, part of which says, so long as students respect school policy regarding the educational process, they will not be denied their personal freedom of expression, including their right to prayer, which goes hand in hand with what Freedom from Religion wants.
Any non-Christian who is on the team especially, but also on the fans, are forced to feel that they are outsiders in their own community.
The students reacted with support for their coach. Daniel Bumpus, a 4-year member of the Red Hawks football team, said he's proud that Stein is willing to stand up for his faith and for the example he sets. Stein appreciated the support, saying this past week has been a time of learning, but that he understands that a coach's participation in prayer or any religious activity with the players cannot happen. Then there's Ray McElroy, a former Chicago Bears player, now licensed minister and motivational speaker, who spoke to North Central College football in training camp. He understood what needed to be done.
That being said, I think it's an awesome opportunity to allow our young people to step up and be the spiritual leaders in our schools.
Team prayer will continue at Naperville Central, but from now on, it'll be the students leading the students. As for Coach Stein, he intends to use this as an opportunity to bring people together. For NSW, I'm Charlie Edward.